In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the Geometry Dash if it's crashing on your iPhone. So here's the thing. Geometry Dash isn't really an iPhone or an Apple game. It is as you can see here, there's Geometry Dash. And if you go to Steam, it's also a PC game, as you can see here, right? So if you go to the Google Play Store, it's also there, right? Apple Play Store. Let's go to Apple Play Store, right? And let's go to okay, let's just search for Geometry Dash, right? As you can see here, there are a few options, Geometry Dash, and like it's still here. The problem with this is this scuffs so much in any Apple product. The best way to do this, if you're crashing when you're opening it, it's either check your storage on your iPhone or Apple device. It's number one. Number two, if it still persists, try uninstalling Geometry Dash from your iPhone and then reinstalling it and see if it works. If not, the best way to do this is just to download Geometry Dash Lite. So with Lite, with the Lite version, you're not going to have any issues with Geometry Dash on your iPhone. It's not going to crash. It's going to provide a more stable gameplay for you. It's the same thing. It's just Lite. It's kind of like Adobe Premiere Pro, portable. It's still the same program, but it doesn't necessarily need as much processing time or processing power from your phone or from your device. So yeah, so do this. Just Geometry Dash Lite. If uninstalling it doesn't work, just Geometry Dash Lite. Just get the Geometry Dash Lite instead of the standard one. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.